Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here. Good morning. It is, what is it? December 8th, and I'm filming a video for my What I Eat Wednesday series. And so it's about 9:38. That's exactly 9:38. And I'm having some coffee in my cute little reindeer mug that my sister-in-law gave me last year. I think she ordered one, they sent her two or something, and I had been eyeballing it anyway. I did post about it on my Instagram stories, so she was gracious and kind enough to give me that. And so in this little mug, I actually have a Four Sigmatic coffee packet. I don't remember the name of it. It's the one with the red writing, whichever one that is, but it's their coffee, which I really enjoy. And a little bit of the Califia Farms pumpkin spice creamer. So that's what I'm having as my hot beverage today. Lately I have not been drinking coffee every morning. I have been trying to go through a lot of my tea collection. I have a lot of tea that needs to get used up, and since it is warm now, it's not, since it's cold now, I'm losing my mind. Since it's cold now, I want a warm drink every morning. And actually we've been having some herbal teas, like caffeine-free teas at night when we watch TV, which is really nice and relaxing. I've been having peppermint tea. It's really good, so good. But yeah, so I've been having like matcha lattes and just chai and whatever tea speaks to me in the morning I've been having. But yeah, today I wanted to have coffee. This is actually my very last Four Sigmatic pack, so I'll have to order more of those at some point in the future. But I have a lot of like whole bean coffee too that I can use if I really want coffee. But yeah, I've been trying to use up some of our tea stash. We've gotten a lot of new teas in like our vegan cuts box over the years, so we tend to accumulate that stuff and forget to use it. I don't like to have a hot tea very often in like the spring and summer, even in the fall, but winter is my tea time. So I'm gonna take you along with me for what I have for lunch and dinner. Per usual, I'm not having breakfast. Most days I just don't have breakfast because I wake up, I get moving, we've already taken the trash out, I've done laundry, fed the cat, like all kinds of crap. So by the time I sit down and have my coffee, and I'm a slow sipper, it takes me till lunchtime pretty much usually to finish it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I've got my workout gear on. I have not worked out the past week and a half-ish. I haven't been sleeping well, and since my sleeping is kind of getting back on track, I figured it's time to get back to working out. So I do have a yoga video pulled up that I'm probably going to do in a little bit. And I, fingers crossed, should be getting a bunch of packages today, but the tracking isn't updating, so maybe I won't. But if I do, you might see me all dolled up later. We'll see. Yeah, so that is what we're up to. And then I think I also might bake some granola. I finished the last of our pumpkin spice granola. That is my personal recipe, which is on my website, Amandaphenomenon.com. You can check that out, linked down below. Just go to the website, search pumpkin spice granola, or just search the word granola. It's there, it pops right up. But yeah, I think I'll be making some of that because we've been enjoying that, and I still have like half a can of pumpkin to use up because I only call for half a can, or half a cup, or I don't know. But yeah, I know I'm definitely having leftover pizza for lunch because I made a pizza yesterday, but I'll walk you through all the ingredients on that. But I don't know what we're doing for dinner, so that'll be an exciting little mystery. Yeah. So I'll check in with you guys shortly. Here is my lunch I'm having today. 4 slices of leftover pizza I made yesterday. It was a Pillsbury dough. I made stuffed crust with the Daya string cheeses, and I put everything bagel seasoning all over it because it's so good. And then it is Violife mozzarella, just generic tomato sauce, and then leaves, if that's how you pronounce it, I'm not certain, pepperonis, olives, artichokes, onions, and some Calabrian chili paste. So I'm gonna eat these, and then I need to do some yoga or something. Oh, I'm gonna digest first. How do you feel about that, Franny? She's so cute. So we decided to get Indian tonight. We had to go to the doctor's down in Owings Mills, which is like 20 minutes from where we live, and there's a really good Indian place down there. So we got some vegetable samosas, roti, which is vegan there if you ask them not to butter it, some rice, and the I've chana masala. Austin has some sort of Indo-Chinese dish. I forget the name of it, but he's not hungry just yet. I am. I'm starving. I have a little bit of wine, and we're about to watch the new movie Godmother on Disney Plus. And have a nice relaxing evening. So it is 9:19 and I have a Moringa Tea that Austin made me in my beautiful Golden West mug. I will link to where you can get one if you want one to support a small business. And I'm watching The Bachelorette, and I just drew a bath, so I'm gonna have a nice bath and relax. And that is the end of the day for me. So thank you so much for tuning in to watch my What I Eat Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of heavy food today, but it was really cold, and I don't mind. It was really good. And I love getting Indian food, so that was amazing. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later.